So today we're going to talk you through Method 7 grow room glasses. When you're dealing with high intensity grow room lighting, you need to think about protecting your eyesight, and Method 7s are perfect for the job. They're available from One Stop in two variants, with HPS and LED versions that are tailored towards different light spectrums. Both are anti-glare and come with lenses that are manufactured in partnership with Carl Zeiss Vision. Method 7 manufactures shades for other applications, including the aviation industry, so you know that you're getting high-level protection. They feature filtering technology that reduces glare and hazing while restoring natural colours, making it easier to spot pests and nutrient deficiencies. And the cultivator frames are made from impact-resistant polycarbonate, so you'll get years of use out of them. They come with no-slip rubber nose pads to hold them comfortably in place, even in hot conditions. Last but not least, they look great. Like most customers, you'll probably end up wearing them outside the grow room as well as inside. Considering the pedigree of these shades, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find out that they come in at less than 50 quid. For more information, visit our website or come and see us in store. If you've enjoyed the video, leave us a like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.